Hey signers, let's quiz you on a conversation. Get your paper and pencil ready and peek into a conversation Sarah and I are having. Now, let's learn how to sign. Now, let's check on your understanding with some questions. If you didn't get it all, watch it back again to get all of the details. Question number 1. What is the name of the new restaurant? Answer: Public House. Number 2. Why is Sarah celebrating? Answer: her son got engaged. Question number 3. When did this happen? Answer: this past February. Question number 4. When is the wedding? Answer: probably next year. Question number 5. Both of us agree that weddings are 2 things. Answer: a lot of planning and expensive. How did you do? We offer quizzes like this within our accelerated program. For more info and a discount code, check the link in the description. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.